Alright guys, in this video I have yet another 2012 Chevrolet Cruze 1.4 liter. Customer complaint, check engine light is on, and stability track light is on. So what we're going to do, we're going to verify customer complaint. And service stability track, and check engine lights on. So with that being said, now we're going to take and we're going to scan the vehicle and we're going to see what codes are in the system. Oh, I'm going to use the Modus again for this one. Been doing a lot of these Cruzes lately, so. And Chevrolet in 2012, and we'll go automatic. And we're going to go engine first. Let's deal with this engine code first, and then we'll deal with the stability track. 6-speed automatic. Codes menu. Display codes. DTC display. Alrighty. Oh. That's a new one. So we have a p0171, p0443, and p2096. Filter system low. So it's fuel trim, fuel trim, fuel trim. Alright. So we're going to go and we're going to deal with the p0171 first. So I'm going to start the vehicle. We're going to exit that. We're going to go into our data display. Fuel trim data. Now, short-term fuel trim 14, 15, 16, 17, and it's just climbing. Now I'm going to give it some throttle. See if we can't bring that down. And as you can see, as soon as I start to give it throttle, well, it starts to get better. Let's see if we can bring that down. And there we go. So we're looking for a vacuum leak. So from this point, we're going to go up to the engine and we're going to try to see if we can't find out where that vacuum leak's coming from. I'm not really worried about the other codes right now. More of this one. So I'm going to pause you guys, open up the hood, because I haven't done anything to this vehicle yet. And we're going to see what it gives. So I can already hear it hissing. Sounds like it was coming from right here. This is your, if I'm not mistaken, this is your PCB system. But let's get some trusty brake cleaner and spray it. And while looking at the data. Trusty brake cleaner, data, and I'm spraying now. I think I found my issue. My PCB line right here is probably cracked. So we're going to remove it, we're going to inspect it and see what's going on. So as you guys can see, it's not very pretty in here. But that's not the area that I'm worried about. I'm worried more about this guy right here. Now, can I show you guys that? I don't know if you guys can see, but there should be a little O-ring on the inside. Now the O-ring is like basically non-existent, so that's probably why it's leaking. So what we're going to do, I'm going to order up a line, replace it, and look at our numbers after that. Alright, so got the new hose. Just give you guys a visual. I don't know if you guys can see the O-ring inside there now. But there is one, and I'll put a screenshot there so you guys can really see it. But yeah, so now I'm going to just install it and then we'll check out our numbers. So the car is now started, and as you can see, oh, no, you guys can't see. Why can't you guys see? It's so, there we go. There we go. So as you can see, my fuel trims are starting to correct. And it's pretty much at 0. So I would consider that a fix for the P0171. So that's 3 issues that I've shown you guys with these cars. One could be your purge, one could be that PCV valve, and also the valve cover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and comment. And we'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, part 2 to this video. This is the same vehicle, the 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. Told you I'd check out the ABS at the same time. So we have a C0050, which is rear right wheel speed sensor circuit plausibility failure. So basically a plausibility code is actually it's not seeing the signal the way that it's supposed to be seeing it. So there might be dropouts or something into it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go graph this. Go back. We'll go data. And anti-lock brake data. And like I said, I want the rear right. Well, I'll do both. I'll do the rear left and I'll do the rear right. So we're just going to click up here. Click this. Oh, no, click over here. And I want left rear and right rear. And then we'll go back. And those are the only two that I want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause you guys, put this guy up on the lift, and we're going to spin the wheels and see what our signals look like. So I have the car in the air. You want to spin that wheel? So as you can see, that's going up nice. And there's a few little dropouts. You want to go on the other side? But don't forget, I'm spinning it by hand, so it's not going to be perfect. Now let's compare it to rear right. You guys see those dropouts? Whereas on the rear left, it actually went perfect. And see, it's still dropping out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the sensor and, well, not the sensor, but the wheel speed, the wheel bearing in the rear, and I will give you guys a after shot of that. Alright, so here's everything taken out. Now, here's the wheel bearing, and like I said, the notches that we were missing were right here. Just to give you guys an idea. So, gonna replace it and give you guys a after video. Alright guys, back on the Cruze, just replaced the rear wheel bearing. I'm gonna reload all the settings. Well, I gotta turn my key on first, I guess. Okay, you wanna spin that one? So that's the rear left. Okay. And now we're gonna go for the rear right. Now remember earlier in the video that there was dropouts. Okay. Leave it go. And as you can see now it's going down nice and smooth. And no dropouts. I'll put a screenshot of the old one and compare it to this one for you guys. So I would consider that to be a fix, and I will leave you guys be with that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys later.